If you're looking for a truly home-scale off-grid or hybrid inverter, this video is for you. Today we're introducing the eco-worthy 10 kW split-phase inverter for residential and small commercial use. Designed for home backup, off-grid houses and small businesses. In this video, I'll start with the unboxing and then walk you through the key features. Let's quickly check what's inside the box. Wi-Fi data logger, parallel communication cable, installation manual, battery cables, and the main unit. Layout is clean and everything is easy to access. For a home energy system, output power is what really matters. This inverter delivers up to 10 kilowatts and supports both 120 volt and 240 volt loads at the same time. On top of that, dual MPPT support up to 11,000 watts of solar input for flexible system design. Paired with eco-worthy server rack battery, this system delivers true closed-loop energy control. With the included Wi-Fi module, you can monitor your system in real time, anytime and anywhere. On the safety side, this inverter includes built-in protection against surges, overloads and voltage spikes, helping keep the system stable under different power conditions. This is a home energy hub worth serious consideration. Whether your goal is to reduce electricity bills, increase energy independence or achieve both, the eco-worthy 10 kW split-phase all-in-one inverter delivers the flexibility and performance to match. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the eco-worthy 10 kW split-phase inverter. If you're interested in this product or solar energy systems, feel free to follow us for more practical insights.